The 2011 SX4. The SX4 is indeed reasonably sporty when equipped with a manual transmission. It offers versatility and even looks like a stylish mini SUV. It's good for all seasons as it comes standard with an effective all-wheel drive system. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.